my gosh. Yep. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm recording. I just got a big ass bass. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. Guys, I do not know what to do. Oh my god. I don't even know how am I gonna get him up here. No way. I got that on video. No way. Oh my. Come on, guys, do night witch. Oh, I got that on video. No way. Oh my god. I'll tell you guys, big bait equals big fish. No way. God damn. Okay, let me put my phone down and then keep on recording.